Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys 3 Boho Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs that I made, and these were really fast and easy to make, so let's just get started. Okay guys, so for our first project, you're going to want to grab one of these Bride of Frankenstein wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. And then we're going to start painting her in, and I wanted to give her a boho look, so I'm going to be using an olive green for her face. And then I'm painting in her hair black. And I also outlined where her little streaks are in her hair with an off-white. Next, I'm going to use these dried flowers that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to glue them onto her head to make it look like her hair, and this will really give her like the boho vibes. I think this would also look really good if you used like colorful dried flowers. And yeah, this was super simple to do and it's really cute. Alright guys, so for our next project, you're going to want to grab one of these skull trays from Dollar Tree, and it's pretty decently big. I'm going to start out by priming this with a white coat of spray paint, and this is just going to make it easy for me to paint it with acrylic paint later. I wanted to give this a ceramic look, so I mixed up my terracotta paint and I added in a little bit of white paint to make it lighter, and then some baking soda for that ceramic look. And then we're just going to paint in the skull, and it's going to end up looking like a faux terracotta skull tray. I also think an off-white would look super pretty with this, and yeah, this is just going to make it look a little bit more high-end. Okay guys, so for our last Dollar Tree DIY, you're going to want to grab one of these skulls, and these are classic at Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to want to grab some of these butterfly stickers that they carry. Once again, we're going to start off by priming the skull with a white coat of spray paint, and then we're going to do the same thing to the butterflies. And like I said before, this just makes it easier for me to paint this in with acrylic paint later. Now I'm going to paint the skull with white paint mixed in with baking soda to give it a ceramic look. I decided that I wanted to paint this a light creamy beige instead, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so here's the skull, and I think it looks so good now, and you totally can't tell that it was just like plastic before. Next, I'm going to paint my butterflies black. And I'm doing this so that they resemble bats, but I still want them to be butterflies. I'm cutting out little rectangles of foam to have the butterflies to stick onto. The bottom of these are like stickers, so they'll stick to anything. And then I'm going to trim off like the bottom part of it because I don't know, I don't want that like extra butterfly there. I don't know, these are like 3D stickers. If you get them, you know what I'm talking about. My butterflies are ready, and I did give them an extra coat of paint on the bottom because it was looking a bit crusty with just one coat. I'm going to use some mounting putty to stick these onto my skull, but you could also just glue them on. And yeah, I'm just going to place my butterflies wherever I think they look good. And the good thing about using the putty is that I can just unattach and reattach them wherever I want. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy. Happy spooky season, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!